Meaning of Day-Glo.
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 Day-Glo. Day-Glo is a term used to describe bright, fluorescent colors that have a high visibility and intensity. This term originated from the Day-Glo Color Corp., which was established in the 1930s and specialized in producing high-visibility colors for safety purposes. Day-Glo colors are commonly used in clothing, artwork, signage, and safety gear such as vests, helmets, and cones. These colors are especially useful in low-light or high-traffic environments where visibility is important. The high intensity of Day-Glo colors makes them stand out and catch people's attention quickly.